Jay, listen to Little Girls. Now I'm going to teach you a little bit more about Be True Be You, since it just came out. Well, let me show you my room first. This is my room, pretty big, and my closet. And this is my house. This is my room. Yes, I have a big house. Kind of like a mansion, but not like a big mansion, just like a regular mansion. Well, I'll be true to you. So, Be True to You is about two sisters who find out they were sisters because they think they're stepsisters. And they find out that, and really nothing coming up because we don't really. Um, so, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. And all I have to use L O